Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Patrick Novotny, and I'm going to be bringing you another how to fold a pocket square video. And if that's the kind of thing you like, then please subscribe, and don't forget to check out my full playlist of pocket square folding videos. In this video, I'm going to take two pocket squares and show you the double tidal wave fold. The double tidal wave fold, you're going to lay down your pocket square, you're going to turn them onto their sides like a diamond. I'm going to start with the color that I have on that's going to be in the middle. So I'll put that on the upper layer away for now, and I'm going to use an elastic band at the end to hold this all together. So starting a couple inches up from the bottom corner, I'm going to start folding this. Basically I'm going to pleat this into like an accordion style fold all the way until I have it all used up, and then that back bit hidden in behind, I'm going to fold it down the middle, and that would normally be a tidal wave fold right there, but I'm going to layer this to this with two pocket squares, so I need this one to behave right now. And that'll keep its shape. Alright, so the second one I'm going to do the same thing, but I'm going to wrap it around this when I'm done. So, starting a couple inches above, start folding to my accordion. This time I'm going to want to leave this hat sticking up, so that'll be the top of my wave here, like this, and I'm going to tuck this in the middle of my wave. Gently, of course, before this whole thing falls apart. Like so. All the yellow I want hidden, and then I want that hat. And of course, as you put it in the pocket square, you can fill that out. And this is where I would elastic band the whole thing to keep it in place. Oh, I missed that. Double wave fold.